Most people think the secret to cinematic videos is the camera, but they're wrong. These two shots were taken from the same camera, but one of them looks a lot more cinematic than the other. So what's the difference? The secret to cinematic videos isn't expensive gear. It's fixing a few common mistakes, and in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what they are. Mistake number 1. Filming against the wall. This may seem like a good way to film interviews or talking headshots, but it makes the footage uninteresting. It works for passport photos where you need a clean background, but not for cinematic videos. Flat backgrounds makes the image boring. To add depth, try pulling your subject away from the wall and let the background fall out of focus. Use props or lights in the distance to create layers in the frame. Mistake number 2. Facing your light straight on. It flattens the face and removes all dimension. Instead, try moving the light to the side or use Rembrandt lighting or even backlighting, which all create shadows and highlights to add more depth and mood to the frame. Mistake number 3. Not adjusting your f-stop. A lower f-stop gives you that shallow depth of field where your subject is sharp and the background melts away. It's one of the easiest ways to get that cinematic look. Try locking in the f-stop to 2.8 or lower and instantly see how it separates the subject from the background. This gives emphasis to the subject and adds additional depth to the frame. So the secret to cinematic videos? It's not your gear, it's how you use it. Fix your background, shape your light, control your depth of field. Do that and your videos will instantly look better. But don't stop there. These techniques are powerful ways that can help improve your shots, but they are not fixed rules. The best shots are the ones that serve your story. So experiment, break the mold, and find what works for your vision. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more useful tips to level up your filmmaking. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.